At the beginning of 2024, I became a product owner, actually a technical product owner, because I am owner of a service platform on cloud. After 1 year of experience, I want to answer to a simple question. What does a product owner do? And more importantly, why is this role a key role in getting satisfied customers?
Welcome to Beta Liners. My name is Fabio Formosa. I'm a software architect and every day I align bits to deliver high quality software. Here we dive into software architecture, coding, innovation and everything that is part of the software engineer's journey.
In our IT world, the business goal is straightforward. We have tons of job titles, very complex job titles, but at the end, the business goal is always the same, to turn a client request in a new delivered feature. From a product owner perspective, I will divide the white space in the middle in three main activities, which are roadmap definition, product analysis, and development support. To make these activities clearer, now I do a game. I choose an icon for each of them and I will explain why that icon. Let's start from roadmap definition. The icon I chose is an headset. The reason of this icon is clear. This stage is the listening stage. It's the stage where a product owner gathers the customer needs in a process of requirement gathering. At this stage, I translate the customer needs into epics. Once all epics are ready, it's time for prioritization. The product owner organizes the requests, positioning them in the roadmap, considering their business value and impact. Headset again, because during the prioritization, the product owner needs to isolate himself or herself from the outside noise. This is the time to make strategic decisions. Product analysis. The icon I chose for this phase is a light bulb. And that's because at this stage is where the ideas raise. During the product analysis, as a product owner, I break down epics into user stories, which are more manageable pieces. I do that translating the customer requirements into a clear language for the development team and the quality analyst. During the past year, I found out that writing user stories is an art. In fact, the user stories must be comprehensible enough by developers, must be testable from a perspective of a quality analyst, and they must include acceptance criteria, which are really connected to the definition of done, which is a fundamental concept of the agile way of working. I may dedicate a video in the future specifically about writing user stories. Always during this phase of product analysis as a product owner, I collaborate with UX designers to create mockups and ensure the solution is user-friendly enough. Now let's jump to the third activity, which is development support. The icon I chose is a loop icon representing the iterations. In fact, the development phase is characterized by iterations, which are commonly known as sprints. During the development, it happens that I can give clarifications to the developers who take in charge the user story, clarifications around the acceptance criteria. At the end of the sprint, I attend the dev review, which is an agile ceremony where the dev team showcases the development increment to the product owner. And as a product owner, I validate the development increment of that sprint, matching it with the customer expectations. Later, I can schedule with the customer some demos in order to get the feedback for potential improvements. In the next video, I will show you how I rely on 3 Jira Atlassian boards to manage these 3 activities we have just seen at this video. So don't miss it, subscribe to the channel to get notified, and see you soon!